We're off to Yosemite. It's 4 a.m. We're gonna go on a little hike today, but it's hot AF, so we're starting now. See you there. I create weekly videos about hiking, kayaking, and exploring the national parks, as well as other awesome excursions. I hope to make it easier for you to plan your next trip and inspire you to say yes to new adventures. Everything. Hey guys, I'm Rheannon.
I'm Kelly.
Welcome to Yosemite National Park. Today we're going to explore around the Glacier Point area. As you can see, it's about 6 a.m. Sun's coming up and we're ready for an exciting day. Bye. Today we're hiking the Sentinel Dome and Taft Point loop. It's a 5.1 mile hike with about 1,100 feet of elevation gain. We're just at the top of Sentinel Dome right now, and it's pretty amazing. Views from everywhere. You can see Upper and Lower Yosemite Falls. You can see, let's see if I can do this. Upper and Lower Yosemite Falls over here, and El Capitan. What again?
I love all the beautiful flowers up here. The orange, the pink, the white.
This is awesome. Views are incredible. It's hard to beat this. Gotta check it out. We'll show you Taft Point, and if you want to see more about Yosemite, just keep watching. How many layers? 12 layers. Layers on layers. As you can see, we are not on the map. This is why you always have a map of where you're going. So we're gonna turn around and go the right way. Always carry a map. We love it here. There's no surprise. Walking through this beautiful forest. Got a little bit of a break from the heat and the sun. And we're happy. bird that is? Put it in the comments below. So we're just sitting here having the last PB&J sandwich. It's 9 in the morning, but we don't care. We earned it. Staring at El Capitan and thinking about the movie Free Solo. If you haven't watched it yet, you should watch it. But this guy climbs this thing with his nothing. No ropes, no nothing. Look at this bitch. How? How do you do that? How do you climb that with your bare hands? Wow. I would say 10 out of 10 would recommend for this hike. What do you think? Bring your bug spray and do the full loop. That's incredible. Cheers! Hike number 1, done. 5 miles before 10 a.m.
Amazing.
Whoop, whoop.
Beautiful.
Everyone's waiting for our spot, but we're still drinking our beers. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference to us. In next week's video, we'll be hiking the Mist Fall Trail in Yosemite National Park, which is one of my favorite trails of all time. Until next time, stay curious. Cheers.